Hey everybody, Mungo Dark Matter here, and welcome to Dark Matters. Today on Dark Matters, I'm going to show you how to make a mob spawner in the creative mode of Minecraft on the Java edition. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Also consider clicking on the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos and new live streams as they happen. Alright, now there's a trick to creating a mob spawner in Minecraft. You can't do it in survival mode. You can actually find mob spawners and use them to create like experience farms in survival mode. But in creative mode, there's not a spawner block that you can pick up. But there is a way that you can get a spawner in creative mode. And it's actually pretty simple. All we need to do is type a command. You need to have cheat mode on. And you type the command give, and we're going to go at the letter P. That means the nearest player to you, and if you're alone, that will be you. Otherwise, you can put your player's name in there, or your login name. And then we need to go mob spawner. Now this works in the Java edition of Minecraft right now. The Windows 10 edition, it will actually give you a mob spawner, but it doesn't work. So hopefully in the future that will work. But right now it doesn't. So this is the Java edition. So let me just hit enter here. And you'll see right over here that I have a spawner cage. And if I put this down, you'll see it's created a spawner. You've got fire inside there, and by default it's a pig spawner, which is not really useful, particularly like if you're making an experience farm or something like that and you want mobs, or you're just creating a map and you want certain mobs to kind of be generated in certain places. Pigs are probably not going to be your first choice. So there's a way to change that real easy, and so let's go into inventory here real quick. And what are we going to do? We're going to search for spawn eggs. And so, like, let's grab a few of these eggs here real quick. There's a creeper egg. Oh, a ghast. Let's try that. What else do we have here? Enderman. Maybe another one. Let's spawn a witch. All right, so we've got a few here. We can use any of these spawn eggs to do this. All right, so let's go back out here, and we're going to pick up first of all a creeper egg, and while we're holding it, we right click on the spawner and it changes the spawner to generate creepers. And right now it's probably a little bit too bright out here. Let's just go night. There we go. Now we should start seeing some of these things spawning. There we go. There's one. So more will spawn, and then so we can change this. Let's switch it to ghast. Let's start spawning some ghasts here. It takes a little while for them to spawn, so give it a minute here. We should see a ghast pop out of here. But this is really pretty cool. You can also use the command and actually specify what mob it's supposed to generate, I believe, but you have to use the mob number, and that's a little more complex. Much easier just to, there's the ghast. Much easier just, oh, I forgot how annoying they make that annoying noise. It's much easier just to use the eggs and right click. So let's try, we're going to spawn a witch. And put the witch in the spawner. And there's a witch. Put Enderman in there. And if I just leave it like this, whatever the last mob that I used on this spawner, it will just keep on spawning that. So you can make multiple spawners as well. So let's click one of these down here, and let's go with. Let's put creepers over here. Oh yeah, here's a bunch of those. Put another spawner over here. We can go with guests. So all these things are spawning now, so you can make as many of these as well. Whoa. And they've been right in front of me. So you can make many of these as you want. So if you're working on a map or you're working on experience farms, sorts of things you can do now by using the give command and getting yourself a spawner. So that's how you make spawners in creative mode in Minecraft Java Edition. I'm Mungo Dark Matter, and this has been Dark Matters, and whatever you do, enjoy playing Minecraft. I'll see you next time.